Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping, and we got loads of red currants from our garden this year, so we froze some and now we're going to use them to make some wine. Put 3 pounds or 1.36 kilos of fruit into a 1 gallon or 5 litre bucket and fill with boiling water. Now give that all a good stir, then put the lid on loosely and leave it aside for about a week. After a week it will probably have mould on top, but don't worry about that. Use a muslin bag to strain the liquid off into another sterilised bucket. Give the pulp a bit of a squeeze now and again as well to make sure you get as much of the juice out as possible. You can see how it's bleached the red from the currants, so now they look pink. Add 3 pounds of sugar and stir. You can take a gravity reading at this stage if you want to work out the alcohol content later. To prevent getting cloudy wine, add a teaspoon of pectolase, a teaspoon of yeast nutrient, and just a sachet of yeast. We're using Jervin from Wilco. Now I use these 5 litre buckets because I have this one that I got from Amazon that has the airlock fitted to it, because at the beginning the fermentation could be quite foamy, so leave it in there for a couple of days and then you can siphon it into a demijohn like I've got this fig wine here, or you can even use plastic ones like that white currant one back there. Now leave this somewhere at a constant temperature of about 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius until there's no more bubbles in your airlock. Then once you get to that stage you'll be able to rack it and then get ready for bottling. So come back in a couple of weeks and I'll show you that. Thanks very much for your time guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers!